jingle boot again. Oh no, see the jingle boots? All stocking and everything.
I'm stocking to you. Real stocking, you think so?
Jesus!
Stocking.
Real stocking. All right.
Stocking.
Jingle the boot, let me see. Boom. Yeah. Rated. No, man, I used a Caribana. Yeah, I used a Caribana. Me didn't need you for July 1st. Canada Day, me have one job for you next year. Yeah, I'm going to be mascot because...
Give them the job song.
Every session, I tell that man text me today. For nobody.
No, this is your spotlight right now. Your boss, you know.
Yeah, man. Amen.
Oh, God. Ray, I you say you have all the flags then?
I said I have uniform in all the car there.
This is his uniform.
Yeah, I said it to you.
So why you paying me
Yes.
One black screw.
A black screw?
Yes, where is it?
I think I had that. When I go home,
You find it in your
my
pocket.
pocket.
Okay, so
But I need to think I have a black screw.
yes, okay, so could you please
Yes.
pay it back?
I have it.
Yeah, man.
I have the black screw.
Yeah.
I have the black screw.
When I got to put my clothes on, that screw flow and you fall out, pick it up.
He's so animated. I love it. I love it.
I did.
Yeah, but you're not got gym.
Just in case
Yeah.
somebody notify me with this and they mark me by that, I have many more to change.
Ray.
I change up in anything for you.
Yeah.
So what the powder for now? What you using the powder for?
Nice and niceness.
The powder's a niceness? But Jesus Christ, no sir. So what is more costume?
Yes.
Oh my God.
So
So what you just find bathroom like a McDonald's and just change?
Mark me. If you mark me by this, I come in a different one. Just in case you chase me, I know. You might say you're looking for the man with the car. Just in case you chase me.
I can't breathe.
I come with something different.
Caravana weekend. No, but what is the powder for?
The powder is a niceness.
To do what?
Yeah. Put me at the end of my
I want to see what you do with the powder.
Powder is a sweetness and the band. Let's say with the hair now. Once the band pass and it's the powder.
Wow!
Powder.
Wow! Okay. I understand now. I smell it here. I get it now. I get it. Okay, I get it. I get it now. I don't want you sprinkle no oil or dash when no powder for me. No, sir.
I say, I go on. Hey, so that.
So, hi. It is Tuesday, April the 8th. Okay? And I just came back from the biggest mission on earth. Now, yesterday I was craving ice cream all day long, and I'm not an ice cream person. So when I get those little cravings, I'm like, you know, I gotta fulfill them, okay? So I didn't get my ice cream yesterday. Okay, whatever, no problem, no biggie. You know what I mean? Today I'm gonna come home and do all of my wifely duties, them, yeah? Done. So I said, all right, I'm gonna treat myself. Yeah, I'm gonna go get my ice cream whenever I get there. Yeah, yesterday. I was like, I wanted Dairy Queen or like Dutch Dreams or something extravaganza. And I was just like, you know what, I'll settle for a sundae from McDonald's. Like, I love me a strawberry sundae. You know, you gotta put the strawberry on the top and the bottom. And sometimes if you're feeling a little fancy, you can add in a little caramel or you can add in a little fudge. And then, you know, you get your peanuts and something and something and something. I go to McDonald's over Walmart and I said,
Hi, Miss, me can I get a strawberry sundae, please?
she said, when I have that. I said, what do you mean I don't have that? She said, well, I only have fudge and blueberries. I said, okay, no problem, bye. Me left, I'm gone. I said, I remember going to next McDonald's. Because the McDonald's is full. I be full people working at the McDonald's, yeah? So I'm going to the next McDonald's. I'm going inside of this McDonald's. You know, normally I'm go to the drive-thru. I'm saying, no, I'll go inside. I'm going to go inside of the McDonald's. I'm saying, miss.
They can't get the strawberries on the piece.
She say, we don't carry strawberry. When did McDonald's stop making strawberry sundaes? And how are you going to take strawberry away and leave fudge and caramel and bring blueberry? The fuck? Bring back strawberry bring back strawberry sundaes. Do you hear me, McDonald's? Bring back strawberry sundaes. Thank you. So I had to settle and go to Dairy Queen and get an ice cream with some sprinkles because my craving had to be filled. Like, my baby has to eat, you know? Wait for my baby. I'm gonna take myself on my belly. How my baby? Jesus. My baby have to eat. You know? And when you're in the line, you just have to rub up on the belly to make them know, so, oh God, you hurt yourself. They hurt your feelings and they hurt the baby's feelings. But yeah, I just have to settle for this. So this may I go and consume, I guess, because I have no other choice. So yeah. Anybody else like get really annoyed like when you really want something and you go for it and then it's not there or done or whatever? So annoyed. But and I was like, okay, it's a God telling me no more ice cream. But my no, I'm determined. I'm happy getting ice cream. But yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, so I just thought I'd come say hi to you guys. Ooh, and I got a new hairstyle. I did the goddess locks. Yeah, I love them. Fluffy used to always rock them and I used to love them. It's not even fully done yet. Oh, I did it myself. It's not even fully done yet, but yeah. And it didn't take that long to actually do either. But I really like it. And I gotta finish adding in the rest of my gems and stuff like that. Tell me why, you guys. Last night I was trying to trim off the hairs, right? Like the excess hairs from off of the hair or whatever. I'm gonna cut off my ear. Hold on, I'm gonna find the ear. I'll show you. I wanna go laugh after me and say, Zoe, why? I'm gonna say my whole on the hairs them for you know, no cut them off. I'm gonna still manage some way somehow to cut off the but the idiot ear there. Oh, see it there. Sure. See it there. See it there. Where is the ear there? Where the rest of the lot there? People. Let me put it against this so I can see. Where the rest of the ear there? Why? Like why? But yeah, I love this hairstyle. It's mad tight. I don't know why I did my hair so tight, but I really like it. I know so I can't really see it, but I just saw the thing reach. If you want your hair done by Zoisha, holla at me in my inbox. I'll give you all the prices and links and stuff like that and yeah, I'm feeling really black, you know. Sometimes I forget. So yeah, this brought me back to my roots. I'm saying. But yeah, anyways, that's enough for now. I will see you guys later. Bye. I'm so excited because I'm going on a date in a couple of minutes. It's 8:32. I'm going on a date in 28 minutes with Sammy, Sandy, and Zay. We haven't talked like FaceTime in a long time. So we're finally gonna FaceTime. So I gotta go pretty. I put up my makeup and my eyebrows and my lash them. We go talk to my woman and my sister them. Yeah. So look up more. Bye guys. Love you. Here's my Michaels with my niece. Whoa, the lighting just went so terribly wrong in here. Whoa. But yeah, Michaels, you guys. I came to get some. These are nice, pretty white flowers. Oh, this is nice. I could use this for the wedding. Hang it up somewhere as decor. Poison, yeah, maybe. Ooh, that's... Oh, these pillows are nice. Your mom would love these pillows. These are pretty. Okay, that's great. Anyways, I'll be back. Good morning, you guys. It's Saturday, August the 12th? Holy shit, it's the 12th of August already. Like, it's the 12th of August already. It was just friggin' bruh, the year's done. 4 more months and the year's done. Like, just put it that way. 4 more months and it's December, and then it's my birthday again. And I literally just celebrated my birthday. Like, time is flying by and it's so crazy. But we're on the road right now, me and Bae. My phone broke. I brought it in to get it fixed 2 weeks ago. No one's called me to update me in regards to whether or not my phone was fixed, if it could be fixed, how much it's gonna cost for it to fix my phone. Went there, they said that the phone is gonna be there in an hour. Same thing they said last week. So we're just like, yo, I don't have time to wait around for it. So yeah, so we're currently at the car wash, and Bae came to wash the car, and yeah, that's currently what we're doing, or what I'm doing. If anything exciting happens, I will be sure to update you guys, but that's about it for now. The last clip excuse me, I ended it abruptly, but I went to Michael's to find a stencil and like paint markers for our project that I'm doing for the wedding. You guys will just have to wait until you see the setup to see exactly what it was that I was using that for. But shout out to my sister for the idea. It was a really creative and cute idea, so I'm excited about that. So I did find the items that I needed. Hella freaking expensive, but shout out to coupons and stuff like that. So yeah, that was accomplished. I started buying up some other stuff. My barrel is pretty much packed. I have to get another one. And yeah, I'm just slowly but surely checking off a lot of things off of my list. If you're currently planning a wedding in Jamaica or planning any events in Jamaica and you need a company that deals with rentals, I found 2 now that offer Jamaican prices and only accept payments in their currency, which I'm super happy about. And these 2 companies were cheaper amongst all of the other companies that I have ever spoken with in regards to getting rentals for my wedding day. So I'm really excited about that. I don't know what is wrong with these Jamaicans now. Like, everything they feel like has to be in US. Like, you are not a US country. Like, you're not in the US. Like, price your stuff in Jamaican dollars. Let us have to be the ones to convert and all of that type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's been like a really big upsetting part of this whole damn process. But I'm gonna make a video and a rant on that specifically one of these days. But I was really excited about that. I found a company where I can rent, well, not necessarily rent, but purchase all of my like cutlery, reception stuff that I need for dinner purposes and all that type of stuff. So I'm really excited about that. And yeah, I'm just really excited because everything now slowly but surely is coming together. So I'm not so stressed out like I was before, because at one point I was just like, yo, maybe I'm gonna have to, like, I don't know how this is gonna happen and stuff. Like, it's really stressful. But now that a lot of the major stuff are taken care of, like, I can really just and breathe and stuff like that. So yeah, as I said, we're just at the car wash. Bae's washing the car. So yeah, if anything else exciting happens, then I'll tune in. But until next time, bye.